I've heard these arguments before, and those are not legal arguments.
I'm not a member of the legal society.
We're in El Dorado, Kansas for a first appearance hearing. 43-year-old Gordy Cooley has been charged with driving with a suspended license. A month earlier, a sheriff's deputy who was familiar with Cooley and knew he had a suspended license saw him get into a car and drive off. The deputy followed and initiated a traffic stop. Cooley was then cited for the second time for driving while license suspended and released on a $2,000 bond. Today, Cooley appears without an attorney before Judge Joseph Lee to discuss next steps in the case.
Are you Gordon Cooley?
Yes, I am the man that is that person.
Well, so you're Gordon Cooley?
Yep.
Very well. Mr. Cooley, do you understand what you're charged with?
No, I don't.
What's your question in regards to what you're charged with?
I think this is a matter of a mistaken identity. My person was never involved in anything. I'm carrying my property from point A to point B. There's no vested interest of the state to even stop me. I'm exercising my God-given constitutionally protected rights, and I stated that to the man acting as the police officer.
Cooley appears to be basing his defense on the sovereign citizen playbook.
I'd like to face the man or the woman that claims I've done them harm.
Mr. Cooley, if you wish to have a trial by jury...
I'm Gordy. I'm not Mr. Cooley. I'm Gordy. I'm a man. I'm not a person.
All right. Mr. Cooley.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Yes, you may.
Can there be a valid cause of action without an injured party?
Sir, that's not a valid question for what we're doing here today.
If you have any papers in front of you with my signature on them, it's because that is what was required for me to get away from my captors. I don't understand what a man thinks that he has the authority to take another man and throw them in a box when they have harmed no man or woman, no claim has been brought against them.
You need to be quiet now. If you're going to apply for a jury trial, then you'll need to make that application. Otherwise, you'll be set for a bench trial. That's before the court.
Am I going to be able to face the man or the woman that has a claim before me, or are you going to discharge the matter? If there's not a man or a woman here, then this matter needs to be discharged.
Sir, I've heard these arguments before, and those are not legal arguments.
I'm not a member of the legal society.
Sir,
Can we bring the law to the court, please? Can we bring the law to the court?
Mr. Cooley, stop interrupting. At your hearing, if you have motions that you wish to have heard, you can file them in advance. I would strongly recommend you be represented by counsel.
I will invoke my common law rights.
Cooley filed several motions to have the case dismissed, which were all denied. 3 months later, he appeared for a bench trial, and the judge found him guilty. Cooley was sentenced to 10 days in jail, which were suspended, and 6 months probation. He was also ordered to pay $253 in fines and court costs.